Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to be talking about a site called Survey Junkie. It is a survey site where you get paid to take surveys. Now, the first thing you guys need to understand about surveys is they take time and patience. Okay? You may spend 20 minutes on a survey and not qualify for it or not even be able to complete it. And I know how frustrating that is because I've been taking surveys since 2014. And you're not always going to qualify for the survey. But luckily, with Survey Junkie, you get disqualification points. And that basically means that the site's saying thank you for trying our survey. Here's 3 points. So for every survey that you disqualify from, you get 3 points. Now that makes your balance go higher. Now, as you can see, with this site, my lifetime points are 9,520. I've cashed out 9 times from this site. That means I've earned $90 altogether with this site, and the minimum balance to cash out is $10. So 10 times 9 is 90, so I've earned $90 all the time with the site. Now I'm at $2.02, 202 points. That's what that is equivalent to, $2.02. Now once you get to 1,000 points, you will be able to cash out on Survey Junkie. Now, this little green bar has to fill all the way up to the top. Once it says 1,000 points, you can cash out your $10. They pay out to PayPal. You can do direct deposit. If you're having an issue with your payout, when you decide to sign up with the site, if you guys get up to 1,000 points and you want to cash out and you're seeing that you're not able to cash out, you will need to contact customer support because they are the ones that can let you know what's going on with your account and why you're not able to cash out. And like I said, the first time that I came and signed up with Survey Junkie was a long time ago, and I didn't even realize I had an account with it. I just signed up with it and never used it. So when I signed up this time, I had to get contacted by a customer service rep from Survey Junkie so I could get my $10 sent to me because they had to deactivate the other account. Okay? So, and make sure you're doing all the surveys. Don't skip any surveys. Okay? I know it's frustrating, like I said. You have to understand the demographics as well. They're looking for people who work in certain areas. They make a certain amount of income, certain race, certain age. Okay, so you need to keep those in mind when you're taking surveys. Survey Junkie does not hold your points. You will not have to worry about your points getting held on to like a pending status. Every time you qualify or complete the survey, it goes directly into your balance, and this ends up moving. It moves. This little bar fills up every time you complete a survey. If you get 3 points, this bar will move up. So, excuse me. As long as you're completing surveys and you're getting disqualification points, this bar will move up. Don't let your account sit too long because you don't want to get it deactivated. You do not want to be inactive for too long. Make sure you're coming on here every day. I would consider doing the surveys up until they're saying there's no more left, and then coming back the next day or even the day after. Let the surveys load up for one whole day, and then come back. Okay, so work Survey Junkie one day, and then one day let it load up with surveys, and then come back the next day. So every other day, come back and do surveys on Survey Junkie, just to give it time for the surveys to load. You're always going to have surveys. You're never going to run out, but there's going to be a time on the site where you're doing surveys, and once you've completed all the surveys that they have for that time period, you will have to wait until more surveys are added. Surveys are added all the time, but it comes to a point where you run out of surveys on here to where they have to add more. So you're running out faster than they're adding them. So you have to give them time to add more surveys, so you guys will not be sitting there wondering why, the surveys keep running out. So what I mean by you will never run out of surveys, I mean that you will always have surveys notifications sent to your email on a daily basis. That's what I mean when I say you won't run out of surveys to do. On this site, when they say there's no more surveys to complete, that means you've completed the surveys for that day. Okay? They're always adding more surveys. You will always get an email notification letting you know there's surveys to do. So my opinion is to be able to keep doing surveys. I would just work the site until all the surveys are gone for that day, and then come back the day after Like, so do it one day, the next day let it load up with surveys, and then come back. So every other day, come back every other day, once every other day, and check and do surveys. That's how I did it, and I was doing this. I was working the site all day long, so I was really determined to make my 1,000 points. So because I was working the site every day, all day, that's why I was able to cash out fast. But I've chosen to spread it out because that is time consuming. It is frustrating when you're to the threshold and the surveys run out. So just take your time with the site, and just remember, surveys take time and patience, you guys. I've been doing it for a long time. I know what I'm talking about, and I'm here to help you guys. So you will find the link to Survey Junkie. You can come on here and create an account. Also know that when you come on here and create an account, it will say that your minimum might not be $10, it might be $5, only because if you, as a bonus, I guess they added saying that if you signed up on or after September 16th of 2019, you would be able to qualify for a minimum cash out of $5. Okay, so I actually signed up before that. So if you sign up on or after that date, September 16th, you will be able to cash out $5. Okay, um, just letting you know that. So right now my minimum cash out is $10 because I signed up before that date. Remember, that date is September 16th, 2019. If you sign up right now, you will be able to have a minimum withdrawal of $5. Okay. And I know this because I did it. I actually have another account with Survey Junkie that is under a different email. Um, and I'm able to cash out a minimum of $5. Now I might be deactivating this account just so I can keep the other one, because you can't have two. You can have different emails if you want to change your email, or you want to have, but you're only supposed to have one account. So I might be deactivating this one after I cash out. Just get up to my next cash out and then deactivate this one so I can keep the other one. That's just me. Yeah. So Survey Junkie is a really great site. I really recommend you guys sign up on it. I really recommend you do. There is a referral program, but it's separate from this. And legitimately, you would have to do this. You'd have to go to Google, type in Survey Junkie Referral Program, and you will be able to sign up for the referral program, and then you have to wait. Hold on. You'll have to wait for an email letting you know that you were qualified for it. So it's Partnership Survey Junkie, and this is the referral program that they have. I have not gotten anything back for this, so I don't know when I'm going to be receiving my referral link. But this is the site you guys sign up on if you want to be an affiliate with Survey Junkie, and you will be able to earn points when you sign up for their affiliate program. This is basically the referral link that you get. Like I said, I'm still waiting on my response, but you guys can go ahead and sign up and get your referral link that way. So just go to Google, type in Survey Junkie referral program, and you'll find it there, and you just go there, sign up for the affiliate program, and you guys will get your referral link, and you can go ahead and start referring people to the program. So if you guys are interested in signing up with Survey Junkie, I will leave the link below. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on the inside of Survey Junkie.